video of this truck. This is the Canyon Elevation cab and a half, beautiful dynamic blue. Man, this is a good looking truck. It's a little windy outside. I think we have a storm coming. It's coming. It smells like rain, but I wanted to make a quick video and show y'all this truck that's not gonna last long. I wanted to show you the interior. I don't think I had done a Canyon. I thought I did, but no, I didn't. So I wanted to do a quick video before it sells so you can see how it looks from the outside, show you the interior. It's a cab and a half, so you have the side. Areas, little cubby areas right here. Cubby areas in there, still comfortable to sit for. You can put your stuff in there. Let me close it in and start it up. Perfect truck. You get 25 on the highway. Average 21, so it's a V6, comfortable seats. You get the trailer light right here, get your trailering, your backup camera. This is not that bad, really nice. You want a new vehicle and a low payment, this is perfect. Let me show you the exterior. Alright guys, if you want me to show y'all any trucks or anything like that, let me know. I'll be more than gladly to do that. But let me get you a light outside shot.